In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix mobile hotspot being grayed out on iPhone 17. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, this is likely due to a cellular handshake error. So what you want to do is firstly go over to your settings application, then go to mobile service, click on your main SIM, and then you're going to see data mode as one of the options. You want to make sure you're not on low data mode. You want to make sure you're on at least standard or allow more data on 5G. However, allow more data on 5G actually prioritizes mobile data over Wi-Fi, so you might not want that. I would recommend just keeping things on standard. Once you're done with that, what you want to do is make sure you actually have your mobile data enabled, because when you're on Wi-Fi, you can't, turn on your hotspot. It has to be through your mobile data. So go over to your hotspot, and then it shouldn't be grayed out anymore. And then it's going to say allow others to join. And then you're going to obviously be able to put your Wi-Fi password and allow anyone to connect to you. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.